Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside Mini Apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. Hey there! Today, we're going to dive into the heart of any smart chatbot, the message block in the Questflow visual builder. It's not just text, it's your main tool for communicating with clients. Let's add a call to action to our message, like a stylish green button. We'll publish the flow and see how this magic works right in Telegram. Let's launch the bot. Instantly, with zero lag, we get a beautiful media file, compelling text, and our button. Let's head back to the editor. Questflow gives you complete visual control. We'll add a second button, and look at that. A new branch in our scenario appears instantly. If the client taps the first button, they go down one path. If they choose the second, the flow adapts. And if you don't need buttons, the bot will simply deliver the info and smoothly move on to the next step. No coding required, just pure intuitive logic. Want your bot to stand out? Let's add some dynamic flair with animated emojis, so you don't have to manually hunt for their IDs. Among millions of stickers, we created a special helper bot. Just open your sticker panel, pick anyone you like, for example this pulsing button, and send it to the bot. Copy the ID it gives you and paste it right into your text or directly inside a button in Questflow. Save it. Look how cool and lively this looks for the client. It's a tiny detail that massively boosts conversion. And now for a real exclusive, let's add full screen Telegram visual effects. In the block settings, choose an effect. Let's go with fire, restart the bot, and boom! The screen literally bursts into flames when the message arrives. Spectacular? Absolutely. It's the perfect way to grab maximum attention for your promo or an important alert. But the best part is sales. Let's turn our button into a portal for a Telegram Mini App. We'll paste the link to our app. What's the difference between a regular link and a mini app? When jumping to a mini app, your client doesn't just open a website, they stay right inside the comfortable Telegram environment, already logged in, ready to shop, and able to receive push notifications. We grab the link from our integration settings, add it to the button, and test it out. Click, and instantly, without long loading screens, a gorgeous store interface pops up. The user scrolls through the catalog, finds the item they want and adds it to the cart. From there it's a breeze. They enter their phone number, set a delivery address, and hit checkout. And the best part? You immediately get a new order notification right in your bot. But this feature isn't just perfect for e-commerce. If you offer services like haircuts, dentistry, or consulting, the bot will book the client and automatically send a caring reminder a day or an hour before their appointment. Questflow is your personal sales department, working 24/7. It's convenient, fast, and incredibly effective. Build your first smart bot today.